Today's Sunday as I produce this video, and I think a lot of people, you're lawn mowing, doing some laundry, maybe you're lucky enough to be on vacation, boating, fishing, hiking, or break dancing. But a lot of people on Sunday, they like to surf the internet, and I sure do. I surf that dang thing just about every day. I'm from Santa Barbara, and I like to surf, but on the internet. Okay? Why people are in the ocean, freezing their butts off with their long boards and their short boards. I prefer to do my surfing online. And when I do surf online, 90% of the day, it's because it's going to cost me money. I'm going to spend money on something. It could be, where's this restaurant? Where can I find this tool? All right, does Walmart, Home Depot, do they have it? Sometimes I have to go to the airport to fly somewhere, which is spending money. And I never drive my own car to my local airport here, Salt Lake City International. It's cheaper for me to take a Lyft and just go there. Drop me off. And if I'm driving back in a car I'm buying or if I'm flying back, it's still easier and not a pain in the ass for me to call one of my friends to pick me up. Because they always offer, you know what, if you're landing, just let me know. And okay, I will. And I never do. I just prefer to get a Lyft. And sure, it costs. It cost me probably $25, I'd say minimum, from where I'm at to the airport. It's like 20-something bucks, and I like to give like a $5 tip. So in my mind, let's just say it's $50 if I need a ride to and from the airport. But if I can save like $5 there and $5 back, $10, that's awesome. It's almost like Save Club is offering to tip on my behalf, because I always like to tip $5 on a $20 ride. And that's about what my savings is. So another plus for Save Club as a member, $19.97. I do like to eat. I like the stupid Whoppers from Burger King. I wouldn't even buy them, but when you drive by a Burger King, you can smell that beef on the grill. Now, McDonald's, I think they're made out of plastic or rubber. I don't even know what beef. I'm not sure it is beef at McDonald's, but I'll be danged if they don't sell 1 billion hamburgers a day. And Whoppers, oh my God, they're so fattening. If you look at the sodium and the calories of just one Whopper, and I mean like a Whopper with cheese, not like a little mini junior Whopper. I mean a big El Grande. And of course you need 2 of them. Who eats one Whopper and weighs 220 and is 6'2"? It's just a sin. If you look it up in that Bible, it says, if you eat one Whopper, you are smack dab right going down in that elevator. You're not going up. So I try to at least have 2 Whoppers with cheese and the pickles and that mayo and whatever else. I don't even know what's on a Whopper. I eat them without like opening them up, because I'm worried there's something in there that I don't even know what it is. But yes, you can save at Burger King. All right. And why not? If you're going to spend $20 a month, isn't it nice to know that you can save more than that if you're going to be a Save Club member? And you can just focus on the membership side. Now, I love to surf the internet just screwing off 7 days a week. But if you absolutely are going to buy something out of necessity, and I don't mean like these dang things called toys and trinkets that are hanging on the walls in back of me, but let's say my mini fridge. Okay, there's an excellent example. That little mini fridge I bought at Walmart, and I don't know what they are. I think they're like $150. They're something like that. But let's say the motor goes out. It's just not cold anymore, and then on the top is a freezer. Isn't it nice to know that if I'm just sitting on my butt here and I notice I go to get a drink out of there and it's just warm, oh, I'm pissed. I'm definitely going to replace that because I love working in my man cave here next to my radio station. And I have snacks. Off camera, I have a little oven. I have microwave. I even have a toaster, can opener. I can make tacos, baby. I can have breakfast cereal. All stuff that's extremely bad for you. Like horrible. And I know it, and I still eat it. I think I had a bowl of lettuce and a glass of water the other day. Ugh, I don't even know if that's legal. Is that legal to even eat like that? But boy, I'll tell you what, you have a bowl of Frosted Flakes. Now we're talking. And you know what? Walmart, yes, they have savings in the back office of Save Club. This little chair, I can't remember where I bought it. Probably at Walmart. It's one of those video chairs where kids sit back and, they play video games. I just kind of thought it was kind of cool. What's it say? GT racing? GTR acing. I'm acing that hole. That's right. Or am I racing? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know what GT is. Grand Turd? Giant Turd Racing. That's what it is. Guess where I bought my shirt? Walmart, $6. What else is in back? Oh, Hot Wheels. Plenty of those Hot Wheels are from Walmart, I can tell you that. And I'm sure probably 10 or 20 other things if I focus. But Walmart is in the back office of Save Club. Big fan of that darn place. I can't wait for gasoline and diesel. I love to drive. That's one of the best parts about my life is driving my cars or trucks or motorcycles. I live right at the bottom of Mount Olympus in Salt Lake City, Utah. So literally, if I step out of the radio station and I just look east, I have a massive, massive mountain, literally 12 seconds from me. And if I go up one of the canyons, I can go up Park City to Utah, or Park City, Utah to over to, let's say, Guardsman's Pass down into Brighton Ski Resort Solitude. That's called Big Cottonwood Canyon. Then I'm back in Salt Lake, and then I just take a left turn for a mile or two. I go up another canyon, which is Little Cottonwood, and that is Snowbird Alta. Go up there, and there's little restaurants and stuff. Get yourself like something nice to drink, and just sit outside. Look at that beautiful, massive mountains. I'm like 85, I think I'm 8,500 feet up. And I'm just sitting there going, this is just awesome. And this is literally only 10, 15, 20 minutes. Park City is only 28 miles from my house, and that's just a real fun place. You can look up Deer Valley, Park City. It's definitely a very expensive place. But you know, most of the restaurants up there are already in Save Club, and we're only 8 days old. But getting back to the gasoline and the diesel, I can't wait to have a variety of options to save, because that is one of my biggest things that I enjoy spending on is just gasoline and diesel, just to drive. A lot of times I have nowhere to go. I just have 5 to 10 miles of cruising around, cranking some music, having like a nice drink. And I don't know, I've always been a fan of driving and riding, okay, and shifting and just sitting there burning that old darn gasoline. But I can't wait to save on that. And I'll let you know, I'll be the first guy jumping up and down, freaking out like a crazy man once we have several choices to save on gasoline and diesel for your automobiles, cars, bikes, lawnmowers. A lot of stuff needs that gasoline, don't it, guys? Imagine if you're a semi-truck driver, like the big rigs, OTR. All right, I know that business extremely well. It's very easy to spend $1,000 every other day. But holy crap, wonder if you're in Save Club and you're an owner-operator, or you tell your business, and you guys might have 20 to 50 to 100 trucks. Wonder if that place says, you know what, let's just give all the drivers an opportunity to go ahead and pay through Save Club. It might happen. I'll be the first guy jumping up and down, and I'll be calling every trucking company, or at least emailing them saying, hey, look into this. It doesn't hurt to look. All right, go ahead and check it out for 1 or 2 minutes, and how awesome is that? So you can look at Save Club as a place to save money on things you're already buying, or maybe buying, or buying in the future, like vacation, travel. Maybe you're going to redo your patio. But I tell you, I like to be an affiliate. I paid $60, and I love to earn money when people sign up underneath me, and then I help you guys get people to sign up, and on to the break of dawn. It's so nice to make $1,000 a month, let alone $1,000 a week. After being in this opportunity now, 30 days as a pre-launched affiliate, and right now, what is it? It's June. I have to look at my thing. Yeah, today is June 8th. So if you told me in 30, almost 40 days that I'd put about $1,000 cash that I've earned in my pocket a week, not a month, I've saved over 900 and some change on things I'm already buying, like those dang whoppers and everything else, tires and whatnot. And then on top of that, I have a funnel system that thankfully ran into my life. It's the only funnel system that helps you with Save Club at this point, and it's earned me about another $1,000 cash, and that's every month. It's recurring. So when everybody signs up, the company pays me $20, and by next month, I'm sure I'm going to have 50 people, 100 people, 200 people. I have no doubt I'll probably have 300-400 people using the funnel times $20 in my pocket every 30 days. So I hope you look into it. I'm going to end the video now because I'm at 10 minutes. I'm just going to give you 2 links to look at, and that's it. I want you to click those links and watch the short little videos, and you're going to see exactly what I do. And if you join up with me, I'm going to help you. Don't worry. You're going to be joining a team, not just myself. Rest assured, no man or woman is left behind, because I'm going to be brutally honest. If you make money, so do I. So my best intentions is for you to make money. Joinsaveclub.org. That's the official link. Joinsaveclub.org. Please just go to it. Check it out. Watch that little video right there. And then fill this section. Hit the orange button. You're going to get an email. Open it up from Save Club, and you can join that way, or at least just get more information. Now, this funnel system that's been just a runaway, kick-ass thing for me, and it's going to be my #1 moneymaker, even over the Save Club savings and the opportunity, is the funnel system. It's awesome. It's simple. I love it. SaveClubFunnels.com. You're going to go to this page, fill this white little rectangle box out, hit that yellow button that says show me the video. And the only difference, now remember, this video is 6 minutes, and it's our founder, Charles. Sorry, Mike. Charles, I just called you Michael. Charles Moy. He's going to talk and just tell you about this company and where we're going and what we're doing. But when you go to the funnel system, this video is before it. It's 20 minutes, and it explains things in massive detail so you don't have to. Anyone who watches this video after 20 minutes, there's no questions. It's like, how the hell do I join? Well, right below it says join Save Club if you have not joined yet. But if you're in Save Club and you need help, then just get the new funnel right there. $25, click it, and you can see that red button. Boom. Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. $25. Check it out. There's no contracts. You don't have to join for a year and all this other bull crap. Join Save Club. Hit that red button, and boom, you're going to go right into the page that you can see right now, and you get to enjoy my big, giant forehead. Just go ahead and fill out the information. It's easy. There you go. That's what it looks like, okay? And just set it up. It takes 10 minutes. My friend has a setup video, Mike. What you're going to do basically is you're going to take your Save Club affiliate information and just fill it into the funnel and hit save. Very easy. But how do you look into these opportunities? Right there, kids. This is a good program for you. If you're young out of high school, if you're retired and you want some extra income, if you're a stay-at-home mom or dad and you got a couple hours where your kids are playing, or maybe they're out doing the school thing, check this out. You can do this at home. You can do it on your home computer. You can do it on your laptop. At the end of the day, I hope you copy what I do, and that is invite people to your own links. And that's what I'm doing right now to end this video. So guys, thanks for your time. Join saveclub.org, saveclubfunnels with an S.com. And that is it. The people purple eater. Or is this pink? Am I pretty in pink, or am I a purple people eater? There's a lot of P. I think I got a P right now. But anyway, thanks for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get a hold of me if you need something. It's Cory at CoryDraper.com. And if I'm on Facebook, just inbox me there. Okay? Thanks for your time, guys. We'll talk to you next video. Bye.